k sigma minus sigma is equal to k into sigma I. Take sigma common, so sigma into k minus 1 divided by k is equal to sigma I. Okay, so finally I will write down like this: sigma I is equal to sigma multiplied by k is 1 minus 1 by k is 1 by k. Another important equation, equation number 3. ठीक है ना बेटा? You can avoid equation number 3 safely. अगर आपको सिर्फ ये ही याद रखनी है, यही याद रखो, because from here you can calculate anything. You can calculate sigma I from the sigma. You do not memorize another equation. Okay? लेकिन लिख के रखो ये. Done? Quite easy mathematics. कुछ इसमें खास नहीं है, कुछ रॉकेट साइंस है ही नहीं. ओके, तो यहां तक लिखो बेटा. I'll write down all these three equations. I'll summarize these three equations here. Yeah, अलग लिखो बेटा. So write down all these equations here. All these three different equations here. So equation number 1 is the definition of the k, that's equal to E naught divided by E, or E naught divided by E naught minus EI. Equation number 2, simply replace E naught by sigma by epsilon 0, EI by sigma I by epsilon 0. We have one more equation, k is equal to sigma divided by sigma minus sigma I. And equation number 3 is like this: sigma I is equal to sigma multiplied by 1 minus 1 divided by k. Okay? So ऐसे रखो ये बेटा. So these are important equations. ठीक? I'll wrap up the lesson. अब इस पर क्वेश्चन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, because that's too easy. A question can be like this: suppose it is given to you, sigma is given to you, k is given to you, and you are supposed to calculate sigma. तो वो क्वेश्चन नहीं करते, ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay, that's easy. That's quite easy. Okay. Now, अब ध्यान रखो बेटा. Now there are three different types of substance in general. So here I will write down 3 types of substances, or 3 types of material. 3 types of material. Number one is vacuum. ठीक है ना बेटा? Number 1 is vacuum. Number second is, for example, we have metal or conductor. Metal or conductor, one and the same thing. And number 3rd is insulator. In general, we have 3 different types of substances. Insulator, vacuum, metal or conductor, and then we have insulator. ठीक है ना बेटा? अब ध्यान रखो बेटा. Simply vacuum implies this. For example, here we have this positive plate. This is plus sigma minus sigma. Vacuum implies there are 3 spaces between. When there is 3 spaces, so sigma I will be obviously equal to 0. उसको होना ही है 0. That will be obviously equal to 0. ठीक है ना बेटा? So in this very case, sigma I will be obviously equal to 0. It's simply equal to 0. When sigma I is equal to 0, so k will be equal to sigma by sigma, simply 1. That is k direct constant is equal to 1 for the vacuum, as we already know. Or for the free space, it is equal to 1. ठीक है ना बेटा? So simply it's equal to 1. So here I will rewrite it. It's equal to 1. K. And k will be equal to 1. That means E naught is equal to E. As expected, there's only one electric field that's equal to E naught. It will be equal to E. So E naught will be equal to E. And hence also K is equal to E naught by E, that's equal to 1. ठीक है ना बेटा? For vacuum. Then for metal, suppose that we will place a metallic slab here. ध्यान रखो बेटा. Metallic slab. You know that whenever a conductor is placed in a region of external electric field, the field lines don't penetrate the conductor, called a shielding effect. Or the electric field inside the metal is always equal to 0, because the reason is this phase will develop minus sigma, and this phase will develop plus sigma. So that in this very case, the sigma I will be exactly equal to sigma. Charge induced is equal to the external charge, so that there is electric field inside as well, and the electric field inside is equal to EI, which will be exactly equal to E naught, so that the electric field inside will be simply equal to 0. They will cancel each other. In this direction there is electric field E naught, and in this direction there is EI, and the two are exactly same, so that the net electric field inside will be equal to 0. So that means here I will write down, in this very case, sigma I, point number 1 is this: sigma I is equal to sigma. When sigma I will be equal to sigma, this term will be 0, denominator will be 0. तो इसका मतलब कि कितना बन जाएगा? K will be equal to infinite, and when K is equal to infinite, also E will be equal to 0. E will be equal to 0. Taken a beta in metal or conductor. The next is insulator. In case of insulator, what happens is this sigma I, there's induced charge, it will be less than the external charge. When it's less than the external charge, so that means this denominator will be less than the numerator, which implies K will be greater than 1. So K is greater than 1. It's a non-zero number, okay? And then this E will be less than, obviously less than E naught. Electric field is called as remnant or residual electric field, it will be less than the E naught. That's clear from the K as well. When this E will be less than E naught, only then the K will be greater than 1. ठीक है ना बेटा? तो लिखो यहाँ तक. Very important, this is really important. इसके लिए आप एक डब्बा भी बना सकते हो ऐसे. So first of all, you pause the screen and write it down. Then we'll make a dabba kind of a thing like this. आप ध्यान रखियो बेटा. ध्यान रखो बेटा. This is important point. This is an important point. ये कैसे करते हैं? Okay, so first of all, write it down so that I will rub this off. We'll do it like this. Be important because question can be asked in the competitive exam on this. So first of all, in the first column, I will write down material. How many types of materials are there? Obviously 3 different types of materials. And material number 1 is what? Material number 1 is vacuum. Material number 2 is what? What's material number 2? That is metal. And material number 3 is insulator. Material number 3 is insulator. Third is insulator. ठीक है ना बेटा? And here I will write in the column number 2, I will write down sigma I, induced charge. Induced charge, okay? Let's write down induced charge. Induced charge. In this case, induced charge will be simply equal to 0. So sigma is equal to 0. In case of metal, sigma is exactly equal to sigma. And in this case, it will be less than sigma. So here sigma I is equal to sigma. Here sigma I is equal to 0. Here sigma I is less than sigma. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay, next here I'll write down here what? Dielectric constant. इस डब्बे में हम dielectric constant लिखेंगे. अब देखो बेटा, dielectric constant for the vacuum is obviously equal to 1. For metal it's infinite. For this it is less than 1. Sorry, it's greater than 1. I'm sorry. It's greater than 1. K is greater than 1. ठीक है ना बेटा? And in this very column we'll write down what? What is the electric field inside the material? Vacuum, it will be E naught. Metal, it will be 0. Insulator, it will be less than E naught. Okay? तो लिखो बेटा यहाँ तक. Okay? So इस लेक्चर में हम इतना ही पढ़ेंगे. So the next lecture में हमें क्या पढ़ना है? We'll switch we are done with the basics. ठीक है ना बेटा? We are done with the basic terminology. Okay, next lecture we'll be studying capacitance of different capacitors. ठीक है ना बेटा? Okay. So bye.